Hello friends, welcome to Commerce and MS Excel. In this video we are going to cover count function in Excel. Okay, so the first function is count. So count function will count cells which has number in the range. Here I have applied the count function from C12 to C20 and it gives me result of 7. Okay, and if I select this entire range, the bottom you can see the mouse cursor wherein the count shows as 9. So why it is giving only number 7? There is a difference of 2. The reason is that we have two cells which are alphabetic or text in those two cells. So out of this entire 9 you have 2 with text, so it is not counting this 2. It is only counting the cells which are having numbers within the range. That is the reason we are getting number 7 over here. Now let us try to change the other number into text. Excel and VBA. Now again we can see the number is reduced by 1 as we have added text over here, and we'll try to convert this text into number and we'll see what will be the result. Okay, I have updated number 10 in place of ABC text and our result got increased by 1. Okay, and in the same way here you update as another number, again you can see the result has changed to 8. So it means that it's going to consider only numbers in that particular range and give us the result of the count. And in the same way you have CountA function. This function will count all non-blank cells. So in this entire range from I12 to I20 we do not have any blank cells, all are filled with the data. That is the reason we got result as 9. If suppose you have any blank cell, then it's simply reduced by the count of those blank cells. So here we have one blank cell, so the result is reduced by 1. If suppose I delete all these text values which are 4, so out of 8 I have deleted 4 cells, so it gives me 4 cells which has a data in it. Okay, so I have again updated the values, so total it is 9 now. So this CountA function simply counts all the cells which has data within it. Okay, and it's not going to segregate numeric or text values accordingly. It simply counts all the data within it. Now we will see CountBlank. Suppose I have a numbers over here and have text over here and Microsoft and numbers over here, and there are a few blank cells like 1 and 2. So that is the result out here. CountBlank from 12 to 20. So in n column, how many blank cells from 12 to 20 we have? So total it's going to give us 2, as we have only 2 blank cells. So okay, Now we have seen CountA and CountBlank functions, how to use. Okay, let us look at how can we use these functions in our data. So majorly these functions are used to test your data, whether the data has been correctly copied from the servers to the Excels or else sheet, big Excel spreadsheet, and you want to know whether the data has been accurately updated or not. Then for that reasons we can use this count functions. So here I want to know the number of products, so I simply use count A and I will select the product names. Okay, so this is the entire table, so few cells are blank and we simply selected the entire range, so it gives me the count as 19. If there is any addition in the product, it simply add, so that we have included the range till D60. Now we want to know how much for how many cells the manufacturing data is been updated. For this you can use count. In this case you should not use count A. Why? Count A will count the alphabetics values also. So to have an accurate count you should be selecting count function, and in case if anyone does mistake wherein updating the quantity of manufacture, suppose for product Z he should be updating uh, manufacturing units as 300, but he mistakenly updated as some text, then still our count does not change. It shows that the data is available only for 15 products. So in this way we can easily caught the errors in the data as well. Okay, and if suppose you update as 0, then includes within the count, it means that this particular product set data is been already updated, and where it is missing you should be checking manually and try to update those values. And this is related to check the cells which are blank, the count blanks formula, wherein you have a VLOOKUP formula to capture the units from manufacturing table to sales table and deduct the sales quantity out of that, so it gives you the balance units. And analyst forgot to update a formula in between one cell for product C. Okay, so for this case how can we identify this kind of errors? So simply we can use count blank and we can easily identify that analyst forgot to update one cell with value. Okay, so this is all about count function, friends, and if you have any queries or doubts you can please post in comment section. And thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel and please share this video.